Hey guys, and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable dark mode in ChatGPT Mobile. Now let's begin. Right now I am on my mobile device, that is Android. Do note that you can do the same on your iOS device as well. Now let's try to open this ChatGPT app. Right here is the ChatGPT app, let's click on it. Do make sure that you have logged in to your ChatGPT account. If you have not, do log in right now. On the top left corner, you will find these two dots right here. Simply click on them. And now let's go to our profile. You will find your profile at the bottom. Simply click on it. And now here are the settings. Right here you can see your email, your subscription plan, data controls, archive chats, and custom instructions. You can look at these settings from your web browser as well. And right here is the color scheme. If you simply click on it, a pop-up will open saying whether you want to switch to dark mode, light mode, or system, that is default. Since I want to switch to the dark mode, I'm simply gonna select this one. And I'm in the dark mode. In case you want to go back to the light mode again, simply click on it and go to light. And that's it guys, that's how you enable dark mode in ChatGPT Mobile. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.